Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by securing your data. Back up to iCloud or a computer, because removing Face ID and the passcode wipes convenience and can risk access. Once backed up, make sure you have your Apple ID and its password. You will likely need them. Plug the device into power or ensure battery is above 50% so the process won't interrupt. Now go to Settings and follow the immediate next steps to locate Face ID and passcode. Don't skip straight to deletion without confirmation. You enter Settings, tap Face ID and passcode, and provide the current passcode so the device confirms it's you. Next, tap Reset Face ID to remove the facial data. This stops authentication with your face. Once that completes, return to Passcode options and select Turn Passcode off. You will be prompted for the Apple ID password if Find My iPhone or Activation Lock is active. Follow on-screen confirmations carefully because these steps remove local and biometric locks. You finish by locking the device and checking that neither Face ID nor passcode prompt appears. This verifies removal. If the system still requires your Apple ID to change security, sign out temporarily in Settings under your name, then repeat removal steps. Make sure you understand activation lock implications. If something goes wrong and you are locked out, use recovery mode and restore from a backup via Finder or iTunes. That will erase and reinstall iOS, so only proceed if you have a backup ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.